Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you today? Hmm? What? I can't hear you. Are you sleepy today? Okay, say it again. How are you? Now it's better. Okay, class. This is the time to learn about letter A. No, we have learned this letter. Can we recall it? Okay, let's go. A. Big A, mother A. The sound of A is A. A. Small a, baby A. The words start with letter A are a apple, a alligator, a ambulance, a airplane. That's great. You have remembered. Excellent. Good job. So, the question is, what is the letter for today? What is the letter for today? Now you will clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap, clap, clap. Shake, shake, shake. Clap, clap, clap. Shake, shake, shake. What's today's letter? Today's letter is B. B, B, B. B, B, B. B banana. B bird. B boat. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Again, ABC song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Great job. So, what is the letter for today? What is the letter for today? Yes, this one. B, B, B. So, everyone, what is the letter for today? Everybody say letter B, 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 B. Dear kids, look at that picture. What is this? The letter B. Big letter B. Father. Okay? Father. B. B. This is the father B. Do you want to listen a story about this letter B? Yes. Okay. Shall we start the story? Here we go. Bablu, a boy. Bablu, a boy has a bag and a big balloon. And Bablu also has a blue ball. Kids, what all thing Bablu has? Can you tell me? All of you please. Yes, Bablu has a bag, a big balloon, and a blue ball. Okay, next. And Bablu is playing with that ball. Do you know, kids? When Bablu was playing with his ball, the ball bounces like b b b. What is the sound of the bouncing of ball? B b b. So this letter B gives the sound b b b. Check it out. B, father. B, 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 baby. B, baby. B, b, b. B is the capital letter. And b, b is the sound of B. B, 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 b. Great. Again, the sound of B is b, b, b. Like the ball bounces. Okay? B, b, b. Great job. Okay, kids. The alphabets, the alphabets. Sing and learn the letters of the alphabets. Alphabets. This is letter B, upper and lowercase letter B. Now listen and say the sound of the letter B. And here are some words which starts with letter B. B, 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 b. Okay, keep in your mind. B. B is the father. The sound of B, 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 b. Okay, let's start now. Come on, with energy. Yes. B is for b, b, ball. B is for b, b, bear. B is for b, b, banana. B is for b, b, butterfly. B is for b, b, balloon. B is for b, b, bee. B is for b, b, bat. B is for b, b, bag. B is for b, b, bus. B, us, bus. B is for b, b, book. B is for b, b, boat. B is for b, b, boy. Boy. Understand now? Now, my friends, my kids, let's do it again. B is for b, b, ball. Now you will tell me, okay? Now I will make sound of B, b. Okay, now you will tell me words. B is for b, b, bear. All of you together. B is for b, b, banana. B is for b, b, butterfly. Excellent. B is for b, b, balloon. B is for b, b. Yes. B. B is for b, b, bat. B is for b, b, bag. Teacher's bag. Yes, not yours. B is for b, b, bus. B is for b, b, what? Book. B is for b, b, boat. B is for b, b, boy. Good job. Awesome. Now, students, now question time. Yes. What is this letter? B. And what is the sound of letter B? B. 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 Okay. Next is, I am going to show you picture and you will tell me the name of the picture. Okay? The first picture is this. I have this. Its shape is round. It's bouncing. What do you think is this? Yes. Very nice. Who told me this answer? Isra. Very nice. Ball. Ball. Great job. Here we go. Next is, you have to guess now. It is one of my favorite food. It is yellow. Also, monkeys love to eat this fruit. What this fruit is called? B. Yes? Aliha, you will tell me? Wow, this is banana, yellow fruit, banana. I like to eat. This is so yummy. Now another question is, it has beautiful colors. It can fly. It goes over the flowers. Okay, who will tell me? Yes, Muhammad Ali, you will tell me. It can fly. It has many colors. Wow, awesome. You told me the correct answer. This is butterfly. Good job. Very nice. Next, who will guess it? Peer Muhammad Shah, you will tell me. How you go to school? You ride on it. Bus. Bus. Great answer. Yes, Muhammad Ibrahim. Do you tell me? Next, you have to guess. You have books in this. Books, your lunch box, your bottle. Wow, this is bag. Bag. Excellent. Now, Zenia, it's your turn. Now, you will guess. I will make the sound, okay, of this insect and you will guess. But it starts with b. Yes, nice. This is bee. Bee. Great. Now, all of you have memorized the next second alphabet, B, and the sound of B is B, and there are many words they start with letter B. Okay, now you will sing ABC song with me, all of you. Okay, start now. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay, you have to learn this song as well. Now students, it's time to go. But home activity, your homework is left. The thing is that you will collect the things which starts with letter B. Okay? You have to place them on a table and you will give presentation and you will explain nicely, like, for example, you will put your finger on ball and you will say B, ball, B, bag. Understand? Anything you have, okay? Don't be like, don't take any tension. I don't have anything. Okay, you have, even if you have picture, then you can just explain it. Understand? If you don't have anything, you have worksheet. Okay, put your finger on the pictures on your worksheet and then you will explain it. Understand? Take a great care of yourself. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.